this is Dr. Shilpi Reddy, Clinical Director, KIMS Cuddles, Kondapur. Today I wanted to talk about pregnancy and some infections like cold and cough. In this season of COVID, especially when we are hitting wave 3, anybody with cold and cough, what they have to do, especially pregnant women. If you have symptoms of cold and cough, just put a word to your doctor. And it is very important that the doctor knows about your cold and cough, precisely what kind of symptoms you are having. If possible, get a COVID test done. Since nowadays in season the COVID is there, so it is better to get COVID test done to be more precisely on what medications have to be given. Home remedies are definitely there, like taking paracetamol for complaints of fever, like taking anti-allergic drugs for cough and cough syrups. But they are not the only drugs that are required in pregnancy in COVID. So definitely you have to get a COVID test done at the nearby labs that are available. Once the report has come, accordingly your medications will be there. You're COVID positive, your treatment would vary from home quarantine, taking COVID medications, whether in-house or in the hospital. If you're COVID negative, you would be given symptomatic medications for cold and cough. So it is very important that when you have cold cough symptoms in this season, definitely be vigilant and be careful of whatever that is happening around you. Even if it is COVID positive, nothing to worry. There are very good medications to take care of you and your child. So it is very important that you get yourself checked and reported to a doctor nearby.